Hey, thank you for watching this video. I promise to deliver some really great tips to help you secure the next real estate listing appointment that you go to. Let's start out with marketing. It is so important that you let the listing agent know that you are not just going to stick a sign in their yard, leave, and hope that the house sells itself. Let them know that you are prepared to deliver a full-fledged marketing campaign on this house. And here's what you're going to do. Number one, you are going to post it organically on social media, everything, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. You are also going to run Facebook ads. Let me say this to you. If you're thinking you don't have a budget for it, let me explain that you can run Facebook ads for as little as $1 a day. So we're talking about spending like $30 in the local market, or if you want to expand it over several states, you can do this. Let them know that you're going to get as many eyeballs on this property as you can. Number three, let them know that you are sending out text messages, you are sending out emails, you are sending out bomb signals. You are telling everyone that you know that this house is available. You're reaching out to past clients, you're reaching out to current clients, you're reaching out to anyone who has a heartbeat to let them know about their listing. Are open houses dead? I don't know. But here's what I can tell you. Virtual open houses work like a charm. So let them know that you will go out to their home, do a virtual open house. You'll do it live on Facebook so that you can entertain questions for people who are watching. Let them know that it's going to reach so many more people by putting this thing on social media, sending it out in email blast, sending it out in text blast, letting people know about the home that's for sale, giving them a virtual walkthrough. Listen, I did a virtual walkthrough just a couple of days ago. It hasn't even been 48 hours since I put the video up. And that video on both of my pages has over 7,000 views. So who knows what that's going to turn into for the realtor and the buyer who has this market on, who has this house on the market. But listen to me closely. If the buyer says, I want a physical open house too, accommodate them. But please do not forego the virtual open house. Now, this last tip on marketing I want to share with you is so important. Get professional videos done, professional photographs of the house, okay? Let them know that you will be doing that for them. Let them know that when you represent their property, it's going to be represented with extreme excellence, okay? So make sure you do that. Now, listen, you can hire somebody locally to do this for probably less than $250. Or you can use your phone. That's right. You can use your phone and do the videos and the pictures yourself and send them to a website called Fiverr.com. That's Fiverr.com. And they can edit those videos for you most times for like $5 or $10. Next thing I want you to do is offer staging to your clients. Perhaps the home needs a little bit of pick-me-uppy, right? So forge relationships with people who can stage their homes and hopefully get these stagers to wait on payment until the house is closed on. Work out these deals, work out these agreements, and if you can't find a staging company, maybe you can do a little staging just to spruce up the house for the pictures, for the prospective buyers that may be coming in. We all know that most times when these houses go on the market and inspections are done, there's some type of repair that needs to be done, right? In order to get this house sold. So sometimes sellers don't have the money. What you can do is form relationships with contractors who are willing to do the work on these houses and get paid at closing. It's happened with me. My realtor has found contractors for me where they waited to get payment at closing. And it took a lot of stress off of me as someone who was selling the house because I didn't have to find, vet, and pay a contractor up front. My realtor had these relationships with great contractors. They did the work. When the house closed, they got paid. So that's another great tip that you can provide to your potential listing client, letting them know, hey, if repairs are come up and you don't have the funds, you don't know where to find a contractor, maybe you do have the funds, but you don't know where to find a contractor, I am the one who can assist you with that. Last two tips. One is show your past successes. Let them know what you've done. Show them previous clients. Let them see testimonials, reviews. Let them see the products you've done as far as photographs and videos of past clients. Let them know how long your houses fly off the market. Once people list with you, let them know how fast you get buyers into houses, okay? That's very important. And your last and final tip is communication. Let them know how you are going to communicate with them. It's so important. Set the stage. Let them know you'll communicate with them either via text, email, or a phone call, however they prefer to be reached. Let them know you'll do it once a week, updating them on what's going on with your property. Also, give them your proven strategy as to how you're going to sell this house. Also, let them know that you are flexible, you're a team player, and your main goal is to ensure that they get the house sold for the price that they want. However, don't be afraid to have the conversation with your sellers that sometimes, hey, you may be thinking this price, but the comparables in the market show that you should list it at this price in order to get the house off the market a whole lot quicker. My name is Salandia Hammond. I am a mortgage broker and a real estate investor. My company is Loans with Sueham, and I hope that you have found these tips to be very, very helpful. If you like more tips, join my YouTube channel, Sueham, or check out my website page at loanswithsueham.com.